So what happens under Florida law if this mother and the husband break up again? Does dad then have the right to step in and claim his child, or is he forever forbidden from having custody or visitation with his child?
First of all, Dr. Travis, just to give you information, the biological mother in this case was actually residing with my client. So they were living together when this child was going forward. She's pregnant. My client's going to the doctor's visits with the child. He's getting everything set up. He's buying everything for the child. He's making announcements with her to his family that they're having a child. Then it's about 4 weeks before the child was born that she went back to her husband in this case. As far as this case, to answer your question, if we go forward with this case, legal dad, which is the husband, becomes and remains the legal dad in this case. And if they get divorced, he remains the legal dad of the case. And my client still maintains to have no rights to this child.
Think about this for a moment. Yeah. This man is fighting this hard to be a part of his child's life, to be there and offer support. In a day and age where so many parents shirk their responsibilities, I am so disturbed by this. Obviously, look, at this point, publicity can help too. Heck, if I'm living in Florida, I'm calling law, I'm saying, look, you got to get this law changed, and you have to take in individual circumstances. You have to at least have the ability, the opportunity.
Every single man in Florida should be extremely worried about this case, because it says that if they get a woman pregnant, they don't have the ability to father that child if that woman happens to be married. Let's hope this show is the catalyst for some legislative change in Florida that understands and protects the rights of fathers.
And we do want to mention that we reached out to the attorney for Chris's ex about this story, but did not receive a statement by the time of this taping. In the end, what ultimately matters is what is best for that child, and I hope that the courts will actually truly think about what is best for the child. Rebecca, thank you so much for being with us.